Good morning from the Nasdaq market site in Times Square, New York. I'm Jay Heller with your market update. Well, the markets continued their rally yesterday for the third consecutive day. More importantly to point out is that the Dow and the Nasdaq are both positive on the year, while the S&P is right around flat. So a pretty big turnaround considering where we've been over the first half of the year. In the news, we had some pretty good earnings out of some of the European banks. UBS, Deutsche Bank, trading much higher in the pre-market. UBS had stellar earnings. Stock is actually trading up about 7% in the pre-market. On the economic front, we're going to see the S&P Case-Shiller Index, that is the home price index. So it'll be interesting to get a good reading to really see how far the housing market has rebounded that everybody has been kind of forecasting, as well as consumer confidence. Now, these numbers will come out at 9 o'clock and 10 o'clock respectively, a.m. Eastern Standard Time this morning. The futures are pointing once again to a higher opening, so the momentum looks to be on its way to continue again for the fourth consecutive day. You do have the Dow futures up about 52 right now. You have the Nasdaq futures pointing higher by 8, as well as the S&P 500 futures pointing higher by 6. In regards to the earnings front, BP taking a $17 billion loss. A lot of that buoyed on the Gulf of Mexico spill and the cleanup involved with that. Also the note, Tony Hayward, the CEO, has been removed or will be removed and replaced by Robert Dudley. He will be the new Chief Executive Officer, and that will take place in October. Also on the earnings front, NDAQ, that's the Nasdaq OMX group, with very strong earnings this morning, beats on the bottom line, also beating on the revenues. The stock is trading up about 40 cents in the pre-market, so closed at 19 yesterday, currently trading about 19.44 in the pre-market. So again, looks to be a pretty good day on Wall Street. I'm Jay Heller from the Nasdaq market site in Times Square with your market update.